dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. So this hair is from Tinashe hair. I really hope I'm pronouncing that properly. But yeah, so probably Tinashe? Yeah, Tinashe. But yeah, so they gave me a wig cap and everything, and I'm just putting that on right now. Don't mind how crazy my hair looks under. So yeah, you could just corner your hair under. So they gave me an edge brush, a hair bonnet, some lashes, and some clips, and also a melting band with some hair clips. And this is the hair right here. This is the moment you guys have been waiting for. So this is going to be put on gluelessly. I'm not going to put any spray or any glue. And this is how it's looking. So far it looks really good. The lace looks nice. And this is inside the hair. It has the 2 pins on the side and it has that elastic band to make it nice and snug. So I'm just going to put it on my head right now so you can see how it looks. And this is it right here, you guys. I'm loving it already. I already know how I'm going to style it in my head, and it's gonna look really cute, you guys. So right now I'm just looking to see if I need to pluck it or anything like that. I don't really need to pluck it, but I will eventually. And I'm going to tint the lace, okay? We're not trying to have the lace not blend in with her skin. So I take my Fendi bronzer and then I take this flat brush and I'm going to just put it all over the lace. And you want to make sure to focus on the hairline because that's where you're going to cut the lace, and this is where it really needs to blend in. And now I'm putting it back on my head to make sure that I did that properly. And as you can see, it's definitely much better than before. I'll put a before and after right here so you can see. So you definitely want to tint your lace to whatever color your forehead is, okay? So now I'm just trying to look at the lace and everything, you guys. This wig is amazing. The knots are so small and I don't necessarily have to pluck it, but I will pluck it a little bit. Now I know I'm going to hot comb the hair before I do pluck it. So I'm taking my heat protecting serum and I'm just putting it all over the hair, especially the front, because that's where the hot comb is going to be. And you don't want to put too much serum because you don't want the hair to look all greasy. And then I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just combing it backwards. And then I take my wax stick and then I'm just doing it in a motion going like that, only because I'm going to hot comb the hair going backwards so that I can clearly see how I'm plucking it. And now I'm just applying the hot comb. So I don't suggest that any of you guys, especially if you're a beginner, for you to hot comb the hair on your actual head. I just couldn't find my head mannequin, so that's why I did it this way. And also I'm being very careful not to put any heat on my actual head and forehead. So honestly, if you're a beginner, do not do this. Make sure you put it on a mannequin head. Okay, so now I did it properly. So now I'm just I'm gonna go in and just pluck it. So this is the way I do pluck it. I section it little by little. And yeah, that's basically it. And I try my best not to pluck in the same spot more than 3 times in a row. So although the wig is naturally perfect, but you can definitely see the difference with the side that I plucked and the side that I didn't pluck. So, and that's just to show you how much I did pluck out of the hair, so don't be scared if you see a whole hairball coming out. And I definitely can pluck it more, but that's just how much I'm gonna leave it as. So I did the same thing on the other side, and now I'm going to cut the lace. So as I cut the lace, I always do it in an up and down motion, because if you cut it just straight down, it's going to look like, I don't know, it's not going to blend in with your scalp properly. So I always do it in a zigzag motion. And you guys, this already looks like it's coming from my scalp. I don't need any glue. I don't even need any got2b spray or anything like that. You guys, this looks amazing already. But you already know I have to do the baby hairs, so I'm about to do that. So doing baby hairs on a closure to me is super important, because it really makes it look like a frontal. It makes it, the baby hairs basically gives the illusion of like there's more hair on the side. And I usually lay down my hair with some mousse, but I have to be creative. I don't have any mousse left. I wasn't aware of that. So I'm just using some of my got2b spray to actually just spray down the baby hairs, and it actually worked really well. And so that it blends down and it really lays down properly, I'm going to put on the melting band that they gave me, and that's going to lay it down. And now I'm just straightening the hair, because although the bob came really nice, it's not as straight as I want it to be. Although you could also do a curly bob actually, but yeah, I kind of want to go for the straight bob look. And I'm just taking my flat iron and doing that. And as you can see, it looks so nice. And now I take off the melting band, you guys, and look at this hair, you guys. This is just so amazing. I did not glue this down, you guys, and it looks glued. It looks laid. And look at that. I could just take it off whenever I want and put it right back on, and it goes back in place. You guys, this hair is amazing. The lace is amazing. I want it to blend even more, so I'm going to go in again with my bronzer, and I'm just going to tap it on the lace so that it could just look like it's just really coming out of my scalp. But thank you so much, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video. This hair is honestly perfect for just like you need to go somewhere quick and you just need to put something on. But again, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.